Welcome to Concept House Hashida, where you can secure your reservation immediately by scanning the QR code on your screen or by following the booking link in the description below. Nestled in a sanctuary of quiet elegance, this boutique retreat is designed for those who seek a profound connection with tranquility and the warmth of refined living. From the moment you arrive, you are invited to leave the frenetic pace of the modern world behind and step into a realm where time seems to slow, guided by the soft glow of flickering flames and the gentle whispers of nature. At the heart of the Concept House experience is the soul-stirring presence of the fireplace. Our spaces are thoughtfully curated around the elemental beauty of the hearth, offering a sophisticated atmosphere where the crackle of wood serves as the perfect soundtrack to your most cherished moments. Each suite is a masterclass in understated luxury, blending contemporary design with a sense of organic warmth. Here, every detail has been meticulously selected to soothe the senses, from the high-quality textures of your surroundings to the seamless integration of modern convenience, including complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi to ensure you remain connected only when you choose to be. Whether you are unwinding with a vintage read by the fire, sharing an intimate conversation in a beautifully appointed lounge, or simply retreating into the peaceful solitude of your private sanctuary, Concept House Hashida offers a bespoke experience tailored to the discerning traveler. It is more than just a place to stay. It is a destination designed to nourish the spirit and provide a sophisticated refuge for reflection and rejuvenation. Every corner of this property whispers of exclusivity and calm, making it the ultimate destination for those who appreciate the finer, quieter nuances of life. Allow us to host your next escape into serenity. To ensure your place in this haven of warmth and elegance, please remember to scan the QR code provided or click the link in the description to finalize your booking. We look forward to welcoming you to Concept House Hashida.